Hey Joe, how are you?
Good.
Good, good. Ah, let's see what's going on
You
with
took trades with gold this morning. It's Asian.
I did not. I had the runners which got stopped.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but they were very small runners. But anyways, I was all day outside, so I didn't want to like deal with gold. Um,
Okay, I see.
Good morning, Tariq. Let me do this here. Fix. Did you take any trades, Joe?
No, I just opened my charge.
Ah, okay.
But yeah, I'm waiting for it to retest.
Let's see what's going on
Uh,
with gold here. So we have this weekly here, which is on the new weekly resistance. Why is this so? I want to fit. There you go, right here. So price is above that weekly zone, but it is still open. Let's see what happened above there. But also we have two zones in here, which is this one and this one here. Price can come. Let's see the daily. Daily it's still open and has no bottom wick, so that's a little bit sketchy there. Let's see if we had that respect in this weekly too, or what? All right, go to 4 hour. 4 hours is about to close above that zone, but I don't like the daily. Um, let's see, the moving averages are far away, which means price can come down to that.
yeah, I think that move is because of the news. Actually, I'm awake at FOMC, but nothing really happened. So I think when the market absorbed the news, it just moved like that.
Yeah, what I didn't know that was news.
Yeah, there's FOMC, and
Hmm.
the market closed with nothing, not really. And then Asian move it like that.
Yeah, let me see what happened over here, because this is the last daily resistance we had. Um, 4 hour. 4 hour, it did close above that, but this one did not give that chance to enter
Yeah,
as a one.
I'm actually waiting for it to retest that zone, 1808, 1809-ish. If it will continue to go up after this, or will it give another deep retest?
Mhm. So this is what I'm going to be waiting for. Let's see this. We are above that two weekly zones here, right? But
Yep.
I don't trust the daily has not bottom week, and I mean it can keep going up, but I just don't trust this daily here. This daily closed above this 8 moving average, and when it does that, it goes to 50, but the daily is still open. I mean, if we had that moving averages somewhere around here, we wait for that, but they are far away. 4 hours is about to close in like 4 minutes.
Yep.
Let's see, because I'd like to see what happened here, even the moving average is far away. 4 hour did not change yet for buys. 3 hour did. 2 hour did. 1 hour did. And 30 minute did. But the thing, if price is coming, it has to come back to this somewhere, like at least at 1 hour, 1 hour, like
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting
moving
for
average.
actually.
So now I'm going to be waiting for a close below that zone. Um, yeah, I'm going to be waiting for that. Below this one, at least the first one, and try to
So you're going to take a sell?
just short sell somewhere around here,
Okay.
somewhere like if we close below this, somewhere down here, like 50
Mm,
pips maybe. But for now, 4 hour is closing above, right?
yes.
That 4 hour it can come a lot down to make that bottom week.
I think the 1820-ish area has not been retested, right? The high that it made for the month or the week. I'll check.
Which one?
Wait,
The
the
golden one?
1823-ish area, 1824-ish, the high of the month, this month.
Oh, this one here.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, on the weekly and the daily, it has not been retested yet. So I think there's a possibility that we can go up there and then
Yeah.
go
If we
back.
have, yeah, if we have this weekly closing above that zone, that's
Mhm.
good. But weekly is open, yeah, it's still open, and daily is still open. So I
Yeah,
mean, anything can happen. Let me
right.
see. Oh, didn't see this one here. Like, wait, okay, let me do this again. Gone hour, do it again. But this one is daily, so daily. Let's go to weekly. Hmm. I mean, I don't wanna. Let's see what they do. I like more like weekly strong zone. I'm gonna go with weekly there. I'm still with weekly. And let me see if we are closing above that daily too. Yeah, it is, but like I said, this 4 hour, next 4 hour, it has to come back down. It has to come back down, and it will come back down if we break this zone here and close. See, lower time frame, uh, like even 5 minutes, it's not changed for sales yet.
Yeah,
So it's a little bit,
it's very bullish still at the moment.
yeah. Um, we just have to wait and see what happens.
Yeah. And Najim, can you show me the settings for your SMA and I think mine was different from yours because when I look at it,
Mhm.
it's in a different direction.
What do you mean different direction? What do you
The
have? 50?
I copied it with you, right? Because I'm testing it, but it's in a different
Mhm.
direction. Can you show me your settings when you're done?
Yeah, no problem. This is the
Yeah.
50 here, right?
Okay.
This is the 50. Check all those down, like all those down, check them out. Leave only the top one. This is the simple moving average by stocks and box. Did you find it
Okay.
the other day?
Yeah, I think this is. Wait, I'll check. Sorry, I'm using a small laptop. my brother, my brother
Uh,
borrowed mine yesterday. Yeah, it is stocks in bags. Yeah, it's
yeah,
right.
and
And the
check
smooth moving average.
which one? The eight.
Yeah, the eight.
The eight is the SMA, like just the
Yeah,
small
S
moving
and P.
average, like eight close, same as chart here.
Okay, wait, I'll check. Close. Yeah, it's the same, but okay. Which time frame are you? 4 hour. Yeah, let me check if we're on the same page.
Yeah, this is 4 hours.
Yeah, it moves different from mine. Why is that?
Really?
Yeah,
This
I'll
is what you
screenshot
have.
it to you.
This one,
Yeah,
simple
simple
moving average.
stock in backs as well. Okay, I'll check.
Yeah, check that. See if it's the same. Let me go to GGV quick.
Yeah, and the smooth moving average.
The eight.
Yeah, it's the
Uh,
same. Why is that?
is
It's
it different? Is it
confusing as
EMA
hell.
or the other thing? What's the other name? There's another.
SMMA 8 close.
Yeah. So why does
Yeah,
it look
and
different?
this one. Yeah, I don't know. I'll screenshot it to you so you can see.
Screenshot and send it to me. Is that the 4 hour
Okay.
you're looking at?
Yes, yes, yes.
Weird.
There you go. I sent it on the chat.
Let me see. Yeah, power is coming down here before pushing up again. Yeah, let me open this.
You saw it?
I think it's still opening. My computer is not that fast. Okay, I got it. Let's see what you have here. Oh, you have 20. That's 20 you have, not the 8. You have to put 8. Wait, let me see. You have them all open or just two?
No, no, I closed it actually. You said just check the top one, right?
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah.
Let me see if it does look the same. This is 4 hour. I think the 50 you have it different. Let me see. Gold. Yeah, it's same. Why is that different?
Right? So weird. I mean, I'm looking at your charge for a week, like why it's different from mine.
4 hour on gold. So you have it like something like this. Yeah, you have different. I don't know why.
Right? It's so weird. We're using trading view. Or maybe because mine is the free one.
I don't think it's that why. Good morning. Good morning.
Because it's in the same settings.
Hmm. Can you go to your settings and send me screenshot
Sure, sure,
in the 50 and the 8 moving average?
sure.
Tarek said you use second option. I think the first one is the eight. Let me see that in my. Yeah, yours said first it says 20. Let me see.
Second
Oh,
option,
yeah.
what's that mean? Yeah.
Go to the like the boxes that you checked out.
Yeah.
I think you have checked in the second one, number two. Go check number one because
Yeah,
in my
it's in one. It's in number one, Najim.
go see if it's 50 or 20 because in your screenshot the first one it says 20
Yeah, 20. The
and mine
SME
is
number one
50.
is 20.
Mine it says 50.
Oh, okay. So I have to put 50.
You put it in
Okay.
20?
No, I actually didn't touch it. It's the default.
Yeah. Go to
Let me see your 4-hour chart on both. If it's the same now.
okay. You see it?
Yeah.
Is it
Thank
same
you.
now?
Yes.
Good. What was the problem?
It's in 20, but I didn't touch it. Just you
Ah,
said
that's
just
why.
check it. Yeah. I think that's the default there. So it's SMA's 50 and SMMA 8, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Najim.
No problem.
Thank you, Tariq.
Tariq, like he realized that, but like I didn't. I was like, what? All right. Um, oh, it's too hot in here. I'm gonna turn this. Is it too loud, guys? I have the fan on.
No, it's all good. Can hear you clearly.
Right. I will be right back, guys. Um, Phone has to come back to this something for thinking for any bias. So Polish. Good morning, Adi. How are you? Let's see if we get this 8 moving average on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour respected. Good morning, Carrington. We break down, break up. Now let's see if we're respected here because we have a breakdown. Once we come back above, we're respected all time here. So let's see if we got something like that here. Because this 4 hour has to make that bottom wick, but um, I just don't think it's coming all the way down here. Otherwise, that's gonna be low. This zone's gonna be a sales. Let's see. And gold, we stay away from it. It's very, very high now to buy for me. At least I want it to come back somewhere around here. Here, or even this. We're pushing up. And also daily has no bottom width, and that's sketchy. Yeah.
Hey, Najib.
Yeah.
I forgot that I have trades.
Really?
Yeah, I was so sleepy last night waiting for the news. I opened a smallest lot size because I thought it will go up. And yeah, I'm up
Oh, DJ?
actually. Yes,
Oh,
that's crazy. I just checked my MT5 tonight.
I have a buy from here. I still have that set.
I'm 51 pips up.
Wow, easy.
Well, but you know, very, very small lot. So
I have
yeah,
small. I
thank you,
have small.
Tariq.
I have small a runner from here too. Let me see which. I had entry right here. It's at 151 664. So it's somewhere around here. My runner, I have a runner from here. And earlier when I had this 1 hour, 2 hour, also was 4 hour closing below that zone here. Right? I tried sales here. I tried sales, but as soon as I see this 1 hour closing above that zone again, I know that daily candle wants to keep going up. So I got into buys again. I should got in once it touched this, but it wicked up very quick. So I got in here. I catch this closed like 17 pips. And yeah, this is a runner and see if we got any more.
Yeah, your strat is working absolutely amazing with me. Thank you, Najim.
No problem. You see this as let me see this one here. Yeah, it's the daily zone here, right here.
You should be streaming it on YouTube. It can help a lot.
Actually, I got the cable, but it says It's a bad internet. I don't understand why.
Oh, maybe that's your internet provider. That's the problem.
Hmm.
Your internet provider.
I think I'm gonna update internet and see if that gets better. So this candle closed back above. This one came to touch that zone and pushed up again. That means the daily wants to continue going up because previous daily closed above that zone. This one was just making that bottom wick. At the same time, we had another daily here which touched it. So I know what like risky sales, and they still had like this bias active still. I said let's get some pips on that sales, but no, came up again and get got out like 6 pips loss, and they got into bias again. Let me see this. Yeah, Ali, I fell asleep last night. I said I'm gonna sleep a little bit and then wake up wake up to stream, and yeah, I just sleep. I wake up like at 3 a.m. I said I'm going back to sleep. Yeah. Um, I think it's respecting the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, I do believe it's coming down here. People pushing up. It's very slow. And gold is pushing straight up. It's not giving that chance to enter at all for me. Too high. Wow. Has no bottom with this daily. Easy. What happened to this data here?
Gold doesn't want to pull back, Najim.
Yeah, it does not want to pull back.
Yeah, it's going. I think it will reach 1820s.
I'm looking like this 4 hour closed above there, but this 4 hour has no bottom wick, so there's no chance for me to enter unless we come back here. But it did not
Yeah, same.
one neither. Like Gold did not want to give chance for people to enter and stop all the people who was selling here straight up.
Yeah.
I had runner stop stop,
Yeah.
but the 1 hour it did come back here at that zone.
And everything's gosh.
Yeah, it's pushing up. It's crazy. Daily has no bottom weight.
Anyone trade GU here?
GJ,
G
GJ, I'm in buys.
GU.
Geo. Let's see Geo. What's going on in Geo there? Wow, Geo.
I'm looking for entry, but price is at the high right now. I'm waiting for it to come back down.
Let me see this. I had this chart drawn and see what's going on. Yeah, there's no chance for it to enter neither here. Very high. Go back.
Yeah, I'm not looking into it this high. Maybe it can for London Open. Maybe I can get an entry then to keep going up.
This the last weekly we have here, which price is above it now. But let's see if I have any monthly zones. Yeah, also have a monthly here, which price is above it too. Back here. All right, let's go to weekly here, but it's smaller. So there's two zones here, high time frame and prices above this. Okay.
Do you trade GU as well, Najim?
No, I just like to do analysis on it.
Okay, where if you were to consider entry here, what will you be looking for?
I want to price to come back and for me, let me see this. The moving averages are far away and price usually come back to them. So this it's a little bit sketchy. I want to like a pullback at least.
I'm kind of pull back because right now it's I think it's been since Asian. Yeah, the charts. I didn't think it'd be this high now.
This could be a good entry here. Like
Oh,
it's not
which time
safe.
frame?
4 hour. It's not safe, but this is the way I trade. Like the 4 hour closed above that zone, and this one touched right in that zone here, right? And then we have my stop just below these zones here, and wherever.
Oh yeah, no, I get what you mean. I did consider that, but I don't want to take a trade. I don't know whether it's gonna pull back.
Yeah. Oh, I see something here. 50 moving average here.
But I know the 4 hour has it's got a zone to fill. Another pips
So this would
to
be
13933.
Let's take profit here. Yeah, this one would be a good entry for me because that's how I trade in the 4 hour, right? And manage it like well, if we close back below this zone, get out, right? Like maybe 5, 7 pips, whatever. But this would be a good entry for me. I mean, yeah, 12 pips. It's not that good, but it's something. But yeah, this is high right now. Yeah. You see that we have this zone here. We had no candles closing above this zone.
Yeah, maybe
This is the first candle closing above. Yeah, this is the good entry here. As I said, we can this can be continuing going up, but yeah, but daily has no bottom wick. I think it does. That one was in GJ.
I wanted to pull back like through here.
You wanted to pull back there in the lower time frame?
Yeah, so I can enter because yeah, I'm not really good at 4 hour entries. I haven't really done them.
It can.
Yeah, it's pulling back now.
Yeah.
See the third flip. Hope it creates some kind of support over here. Come
Yes.
down and we can go back up.
Same thing. If I had to take buys, I would like price to come back somewhere on here. Yeah.
Yeah. Because the previous 30-minute candle closed with no top work, so I expect it to come back down. The London volume should push it higher, about like 30 pips from where it is.
Let's see. There's another daily here, which this one here. Yeah, it's too high. Too high to enter. But let's do this and see if how could I enter somewhere down here. Okay, this is a monthly zone right here.
Yeah, the 30-minute is pulling back into the zone
This
just
could
below
be
139,364.
here. This is what I like to see. Right, but the monthly right there, we go to let's see weekly. Weekly is still up, straight up, but daily closed above. This one came back, we tested and push up. That's what I'd like to see. Also, 6 hour made a support there. 4 hour made a support. It's like just perfect. Yeah. That's what I wait for when I see something like this daily closing above. Wait for this to come back this, and sometimes it does break down just to make that bottom wick and then push up. That's what happened the other day with GJ here. Let me show you. Let's go back down here. Let me delete this. I think we had a weekly zone here, which is this one on GJ, right? We have this zone here in the weekly. If we go to daily, we're going to see that daily closed above, which is this one here. This one break all the way down and came back above it. This one touched the same zone and pushed up. Once price is above this zone, you know that I'm looking only for buys. That's why I had buys somewhere on here. Let me show you. I had buys from here. I still have a runner from down here. Because I know that data is making bottom weak to push up. And this, let me see if we get another. This could be another opportunity. As soon as we close back above, we test it here, push up even.
I'm thinking of entering G because the bullish trend is so strong. I'm not even sure whether it's going to come back down because it's breaking zones to the top side.
How do you enter your trades? Do you wait or do you like take the breaks? Like if you break above,
What do you mean take a break?
like if you breaks the previous candle and you take buys, right? That's how you enter.
Yeah, if you look at a 30, it's breaking up, it's pushing, and yeah, I probably will take the continuation to the upside because the bullish trend is very strong.
Okay.
On the 15 and 30, there's no previous work. See, there's no top work, but it still managed to go. See, there's no top work.
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 and 15 minutes, there's no top work, but this candle is able to break this high and keep going up. So I'm thinking maybe I can take the next 15 minute because the next 15 minute has already broken up into the top zone and seems to be going.
15 minutes. Yeah, I mean, you can take trade like that. I mean, you take trade like that. Um,
I
for
just want to
me,
know whether it would be a safe option because the trend is so strong. See, it's after this 15-minute candle closes, the next one should just keep going.
I think it's coming to this 50, and this one is going to be a problem here, right? It's 12 pips away, right? We're rejecting it all time. The zones, the moving averages. So you have to be careful there. I mean, you can get that 10 pips easy.
Can you go to the 5-minute? I just want to show you something.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, even on the smaller time frames, you're already see the support right here. Yeah.
Let me see.
You see the support right here.
Mhm.
When this closes in a minute, there will be a 5-minute support. And it should keep going up.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, for me, I have to come back to that zone. If not, I'm going to wait for the next zone.
Oh, which zone? Oh, which time frame?
Like this monthly zone here.
Oh, okay.
I mean, this.
And you have a lot of time frames, eh?
Huh? This is
You have
the
a lot of time
everything
frames.
zones where price reacts. Not like for at least for me. Like I don't look at the 4 hour like resistance or support, or even like 3 hour like daily up. That's the zones where price react, right? It's this one here. It's a monthly zone.
Hmm.
This is where the price reacts. Once we break above, you can see the lower time frame. That's where they made a support. They did not respect the 4 hour support. Like they did not respect here or anything. Like we respect the high time frame. The same here, right? That's why I like the high time frame zones here. But for me now, if I want to take buy sell again, I would like the price to come back here. Otherwise, not touching it because if I take buys here, my stops will be safe somewhere around here. And they know if lower time frame candle close back below here, I'm out. Like maybe like 1 hour closing down here, out of the trade. So yeah, it probably is coming to
I don't
come
even know. I'm just.
because it's too high to be honest with you. I would not buy like this. It can go up, but
Yeah.
I just don't like no. I don't wanna be like guessing like it maybe break and keep going. I just want to trade what I see. And if I take a loss, at least I did what I know like works for me.
Yeah, I'm waiting for some kind of pullback now. Hopefully we get it.
Yeah. Let's
Because
see.
I think right now it's the high is continued position.
Also, we have this daily here. Let's see what happened over here. Like as you can see, this daily, the previous daily closed above, right? This could be an entry again here. Closed above, retest exactly that zone and pushed up. Let's see the high time, that lower time frame. Also the 4 hour. 1 hour too. Like I like this one. Like 1 hour does like it looks good. I want it this one here because we came back to that zone and at the same time I had that 8 moving average there, and I use them like a support too because if they are down here, price sometimes it wants to come back that to those moving averages before pushing up. And so
Oh,
like
okay.
we're on that we are. Sorry, my English is missing out when the moving averages are at the same zone that price has to come back and retest that, that's a good sign for me to get in, right? Come back, we tested the zone at the same time we have that moving averages there, push up. me see GG. Forget about GG here. It came back to that almost not full, but it came back a little bit. I think it's respecting the 30 minutes moving average here. Yeah. And gold also, if I had to take buys on gold, I needed to come back somewhere around here again because gold daily candle has no bottom wick and they don't like that. Straight up. I'm just gonna do this because this one is this one here is the last support, which is this one here, and price is above. Yeah, it did came back, but not exactly like I wanted. I would like to when it touch it. See, we made a support at that zone. So weekly here. This is the next zone we have, which is the weekly zone right here. And for me to take buys, I want price to come back here, right? And then manage on the 1 hour if we close back below here, just get out because once we break down, there is a high chance to keep going down to like maybe there's some lowers here before going up again. Yeah, something like this, close below, retested and dropped. Good morning, Muhammad. And the US theory was looking at the US theory. What's going on with it? Like US theory monthly.
Oh, it's coming down.
There is no support or resistance, so I cannot draw my charts there. And weekly, we do have some kind of zones here, which is weekly zone here. This is the last resistance here. Yeah. Go to daily. The daily is still rejecting that zone. See 1 hour. Yeah. See how we respect that zone because it's a high time frame zone. But now I want to see where it could have entered in here. If I had closed a little bit above here, I would probably enter, but this one was really far away. So we are only looking for buys here. And we have daily here actually. We have a daily zone right there, which price is respecting. Let's go see 1 hour. It's a mess. Out does not look good. I don't like this. We have this 6 hour candle closed below that 8 moving average and below that daily. So this one probably is making that top quick to come down somewhere around here again, or even to retest this 50. Yeah. Yeah, and 1 hour changed for buy sells to 2 hour also. So we can see some cells down somewhere. I'm gonna just take a paper trade here. This is not safe stops because let me see this in daily zone here. This is the only daily. See above that, but stop is big. It's somewhere around here. Okay, see how it works. And it's pushing, huh? So this red line I have here, it's a daily to the left here, which I have to be aware of. Which is this one here. For me to take bias again, or price has to come back to this zone or break above this zone here. But also we have this weekly zone above that daily, so it's a complicated zoning here.
Look at Bitcoin, Najim.
Oh, Bitcoin. Let me see. It's going up, huh? Right?
Yeah. Yes, I'm happy.
I think I saw that the other day. Break the weekly zone. Let me see. The daily
Yes.
advice.
Could maybe retest 36, 37-ish area, but yeah, it's very bullish. I think.
All right, let's see. I have these zones here. Let me see which zones are they. I have this weekly here. Let's go do it again. Okay, so this is the where price was here. We have this weekly right here,
Yeah.
and as you can see that so that mixed this current weekly. Just touch it there and push that. Let's do this. Fix this. Right. See that weekly zone. Break up above, closed. Touch it and fly. But we will not going to wait for a weekly, but let's see if there is lower time frame close for even 4 hour and 2 hour too. Wow. So sometimes price does not come back again to that zone because probably there's another higher time frame zone to that to the left. But let's see if we got any other higher time frame, maybe daily or something. I mean, there is a zone here, which is this one. This. This one here, but it's not like clear zone because we have breaking down up and up and down. But it did respected that zone here. Also, we have a rejection at this zone, exactly that over here. And go to lower time frame, we're gonna see that support made exactly at that zone. So I always look if there's another zone that we're closing above because sometimes respect the first, it does not come back to that again. And let's see what the price is right now. Okay. So this is the weekly we have, right? Let's see if we have any. You see that? It's very simple. Daily closed above, came back, retested, and push up. If you go to 1 hour, you can find there's a support made in that zone, right? Support here, another one here. And some people like they just focus in the 1 hour resistance, right? And they break down, it says, oh, it's going to set, but they forget that down there it's a high time frame zone which is going to respect. Even 4 hour, I would not do the, like my drawn in the 4 hour, because I know that weekly zone, it has to come back to that weekly zone at which it did. Yeah, so it's good looking good. Pushy. And daily, we have another daily here, which is the last daily zone. Price is just below it, so um, where's the price now? Probably to this daily zone here. Yeah, so now price is ranging between daily and weekly. So we have, if we got to buy again and wait for above, close above here, maybe not 1 hour, because 1 hour has faked out here, so it's not a good confirmation for me. Not even 2 hour, even 3 hour. Wow. So daily, it's the good confirmation in this zone here, because otherwise, I mean, you can try the lower time frame here again. It may not fake out this time, but we'll buys above this from here up. Yeah, price is very bullish, and it's just ranging right now. We got to break above or below here. GG is pushing. Yeah. We're probably gonna fill this week here. See it. It's gonna fill this bottom week. Gonna come back again down here. If anyone has any idea or what are we waiting for, share your idea so we can talk about it. Mm, This thing. If you keep going up straight, that will be even better. Yeah, it's coming back up again here. Let's see. That way. Here we go again. For me, DJ started ranging. Yeah, it can do that. It is ranging. There's no sales confirmation yet, even in the 5 minute. Missed my entry right here. Almost 5 pips plus.
Hi, Alexi.
Hello, Dimitri. How are you?
Hi, good morning. Sorry, I thought I was on mute.
No, no problem. Good morning. Good morning. So let's go over GJ here again. What's going on? That's my entry here. We have this weekly zone right here. Let's see if I can. But we have that daily here too, which is rejecting right there. And we have a daily right here too. I'm not, yeah. I think it's gonna keep pushing up because as this daily closed above, we have to go up. Probably it's gonna go all the way up to this 50. But we're just going to have to wait. Um, yeah, that daily here is a little bit complicated. It's rejecting here. You know what? Let me do this. It's in the weekly zones. There's one in here. No. So, yeah, this one here, it has to close above would be good to continue out. But this one here, which is the daily zone, just gonna leave this line right here. It has to close above this. And this 1 hour, don't like it. It does not have that good bottom week. Let's see if we keep pushing. 2 hours, it does have one. Yeah, a close above this zone would be good. Let's see what happened over here to the left. That exactly is going to be the time frame. Wait a minute, and that's not that clear. Okay, it's gone. So I want to see a close above. Even this closed above, but it came all the way down before pushing up, which is not good. This one did work well close below that zone, push down. So yeah. I was talking all the time, but it was muted, I think.
Talk again, Najim.
I was explaining
Say
about
it
gold.
again.
I was I said gold has to come back here to for me to give a chance for buys, and it can also come all the way down here before pushing
Mhm.
up. So I'm gonna see how we react here, which is I think weekly zone. Yeah, weekly zone here, and we have a daily here, which I think the let's see the 1 hour 8 moving average. It's at this daily. Let's see, yeah, somewhere around here. So let's see how we react over here. Because like otherwise, I'm not taking any buys. It's very high. Yeah, I think the 6 hour candle respected this daily here. This one here. Let's see. Kinda. Yeah, yeah, that it's respecting that zone there. For out looks clean. Yeah, but even that, like if this for out close like that, I would like price to come back. For out to push more down. I don't trust gold. Gold is crazy. But sometimes it does respect that zones, but most of times it pushes more. I'm just gonna wait with the Anyway, it's better. Sometimes I want to move these things, but I can't. I have to look for something for this. I don't know why. Sorry about it. Mm, mm, yeah. I'm gonna stay away from gold for now. GG is rejecting that daily zone, which is this line here. Very slow, huh? It's not moving. Touch this. This is like 12 pips. Close above.
Hey Najim, how are you?
Hi, Sasha. Good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. What's going on? You are long on DJ.
Yeah, got buys here. I was on sales earlier, but I got out with 6 pips loss
Okay.
because changed by changed buys again. So I had
Oh,
the
so you were looking for sales earlier.
yeah. I mean, like bullish was a good confirmation to go up, but I said we may maybe see this daily coming a little bit more down. I was going to take that short
Uh-huh.
term, yes,
Yeah.
because they had that 4 hour close below that zone, right? And they was managing this trade in 1 hour. Once we came back above, it closed like with 6 pips loss, and
Oh,
I got
okay.
into buys again.
Oh, perfect. So you took it quite early, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours ago.
Yeah, take it early. Yeah, just holding runner there, and they have still one runner down from here.
That's good.
Did you take any trades?
I took buys on gold, that's all. But I secured 3 pips and I'm just waiting for the new price action. That's all.
Nice. Yeah, gold very
Yeah.
high, very high at this point. I would like to
Yeah. So
see it back somewhere around here.
yeah, if you want to look at what do you call it? 1 hour candle. That's a new 9 a.m. candle that I'm trading daily. And that gave me the entry from here somewhere and then secured 3 pips. And then I come out of this consolidation after that. I was like, we'll see. But just a little runner there. Maybe it will go to 22, 23-ish area because we have an order block on the 1 hour on the left. And then it might drop from there.
Yeah. I was yeah, I was waiting, like I was thinking for buys, but I didn't want to touch gold because I was driving. Said no.
Oh, yeah.
I said gold needs a computer.
Yeah, goal needs complete concentration and analysis.
Yeah. So and then I took DJ, so it's good.
Yeah. Nice,
Some
nice,
break
nice.
to go. We killed it last week.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing. No one else is here. Where's everybody?
What's that?
Nobody
I'm
else
here,
is here.
Sasha.
Yeah, some people are
Ah,
here.
there you are, my
Quiet.
girl.
We're quiet.
What
Yeah.
did you do? You enjoyed the gold?
Me?
Yeah, last night. Did
Me?
you take any bite? Did you wake up for the
No.
news?
Yeah, I wake up for the news, but I fell asleep, and it's so volatile. I can't take that trade. Did you take
No,
any of that news?
not exactly, just scalped a little buy, but then it was too volatile, so I stayed out, and then it just kept creeping up
Yeah, and then when
during
I wake,
during the speech time. When he was speaking, it was making
yep,
15-minute little candle stop side, and I was like, wow, that's nice.
yep. And then when I woke up, it's on another level. So just waiting for it actually. I
Yes.
didn't give us a good pullback, you know. Get
No,
that,
no,
guys.
no, it didn't. And I don't think it's going to give a pullback straight away. So I'm just waiting for the move.
The gold is like 4 hour candles has no bottom wick or three, like yeah, two. This and this, like
Yeah,
no chance for buys for me.
exactly. They don't want anybody else to take buys right now.
And I had runner here, got stopped out, very small runner.
For cells?
Yeah, I had runner here all the way down here. They fly it up. I stopped my runner.
Yeah, that's how it is.
But
It has
yeah,
been very bullish, since then. So the news, we were watching it, so it wicked down. And that wick down was only for some time, but then it was up and down for some time, did not close lower lows. So then it pushed up straight away.
yeah, that's crazy. It has no bottom wick to daily candle. Straight up.
Yes, exactly. Nothing there.
I mean, we have a daily zone here, which that the previous daily closed above. But
Mhm.
you see if the for
There's
our
another news in red folder today, by the way, at 8:30.
8:30 New York session.
Yeah, 8:30 New York session, there's a red folder. And so I don't know, it's going to be volatile again.
We'll be asleep at that time, so whatever happens.
Whatever, another mystery.
Let's see, US 30. Oh, look, paper trade got smashed up.
Oh, yours?
Yeah, paper trade.
On US 30. Oh, yes, it got.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, I'll just catch you in a bit.
Okay.
See you around.
See you.
Bye, Sasha. See ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a message in here. So GG does not want to move, huh? Yeah, we're having a hard time to that zone. Just daily here. We need a break above and close. Maybe this one I'll close above that zone here, somewhere around here. Yeah, 20 minutes, London. It's daily rejected. Let's see. Edit the page. There is no sign for sales yet. Maybe that's coming. Maybe, but this. We have this for our closing FPL. 6 hour. Okay. Choose the monthly zone. So this 4 hour come back down. So we break but rejected, close back. Now you may see some downtrend here. But we're probably coming back up again because I want to see this 1 hour moving average changing for sales. Otherwise, if we close above again, we up. What happened, Joe?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm watching a video. It's so funny.
minute to close session. Let me see this. Okay. There's no cells yet confirmation, but this 5 minute moving average is changed for cells. So I will close my runner because we're probably coming down to here again for pushing up. But at this point, there is no cells. So, it looks like GGM more structured on weekly and daily. Weekly and daily. Two 2018. That's far away. Okay. So you mean like it's doing something like this here, right? It's possible. It's possible, but do we have that weekly? Let's see what happened over here. Let me do this. Delete. See what happened here, and then we can back down again. So let's see how we can get the cells down. Daily. Oh, press last again. Okay. So here. I mean, yeah, it did close back below that daily, and the next one rejected, tested, and dropped down. This daily here, closed below, and this one came back, we tested and dropped. 210 pips. Yeah. But let's see once we close above this, then I'm gonna do this now, put it back down. I lost it again. For hour.
Gold is pushing up.
Cold is crazy, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Staying away from it. It's too high, very, very high to take buy some gold.
Yeah, of course. No buying at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, there's some people taking the break, but I just don't trade like that.
Yeah.
Was the pop, but this one came back down, rejected and pushed up. But yeah, once we close below here, made a resistance and pushed down. Makes sense at Tariq, but we need a close back below this zone here, which is exactly the same zone we have here, right? That's the zone I was talking about. It thick. What's this one here? Probably this is the week. No, but here it does make sense. We just have to see that close below again, so we can look for sellers. At this point, we looking only for buys. Let me go back to my charts. Yeah, no problem, Tariq. Now 7 minutes has it's having a hard time to close up by that. It's 2 hour close. It's 2 hour close candle. It's 2 hour candle. If we close above that zone, would be good, right? 2 hour close below this zone, which is the daily zone. Close below, we tested and push down. We want something like that. Close above, right? Close above. Really came down, but rejected and pushed down up. Yeah. The only problem we have here is that moving averages are far, as I said before, and when the moving averages are far from the price, sometimes you have to break that zone, come all the way down to the moving averages, and reject and respect that zone and close above. So that's there. Couldn't do it like this. We have that. Looks like it's gone up. Why don't I just keep slow? Okay. Anyways, let's go to our is breaking up of that zone, so we need a close up of it. Need a close up of that zone. And 2 minutes. And this is weekly. I think it's weekly here. Yeah, it's weekly here, so we got to be careful there. And it's rejecting it. No, it's rejecting that. So see if we close the ball with that last 1 minute. It's London open, so guys, be careful. It's gonna get crazy now. The price. Goes it back. Be careful, guys. It's too late. Take entry. Unless you'd like to take breaks, but just be careful there. Yeah, like that way. So our candle did not close above. Picking up straight up. Yeah. Now I would like to see a break above this zone if I have to take any set buys. Choose weekly zone. Yeah, flying. Yeah, that's amazing. Sheesh. Some profits here. It's still open my trades, both of them. Um, about 157 pips, but I'm gonna close some pips here. I think I'm gonna close the. Let's see. Yeah, close some. Wow, that's nice. Close more profit. I have very small runner here and still have this one here. So now we got to wait for a close above this weekly here. If it close above would be good. It's gonna hold to go up. Yeah, but that one would be good to wait for our close above that zone. It's amazing. Thank you, Tariq. Yeah, that was a good trade. Yeah, that's why I like to see a trade where I see here it was in sells, changed to buys, lost six pips, and made like 50 pips, which is amazing. There we go. TP smashed it. Some Instagram posts in here. Wow. Yeah. Now we got to wait for close above, but I'm done. I had to sleep. It's already 3 a.m. See bold. Yeah, Chrome does not want to give that pullback, but we are going to just wait. Just gonna wait for that. Yes, see, we have another daily here, which is up there. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead to sleep. It's late, 3 a.m.
Thanks, Najim.
Yeah, no problem. See you guys tomorrow. And yeah,
Yeah.
guys, wait for a break above, close above these zones here. Right. Yeah. And let's see, because yeah, there's no sales confirmation yet in here, even in the 5 minutes. So let's see if we got that like close above this zone here at least in like 1 hour. But just be careful. Like I said, the moving averages are very far away. Prices can come all the way down here again. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day, everyone. See you tomorrow again. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.